In Japan, it's a custom to slurp when you eat ramen. My name is Zoe, and I'm from the UK. I still haven't quite mastered this technique. I'm in Kitakata in Fukushima Prefecture to try making ramen for myself.
Yeah. Great.
From preparing the toppings,
Yeah, you're doing well. Great job.
to boiling the noodles. A local ramen master teaches us techniques for cooking and eating this dish. There are over 100 ramen restaurants in the city. Some even serve it for breakfast. Yamada-san hopes that this ramen making experience will appeal to international visitors. So, what did the participants think about the experience?
To be involved in some of that preparation I thought was a lot of fun, and then being able to eat it afterwards was just delicious.
I just finished eating the ramen that I made previously, and I must say it was delicious.